How to use Binance Lending. Binance Lending is an extremely easy way for you to earn rewards with your cryptocurrency holdings. If you'd like to know more about it, check out our article on Binance Academy. So what do you need to do? Log into your Binance account, hover over Earn, and click on Lending. Here you'll see an overview of the currently available lending products. You could also choose from here, but let's click on Products. So the two main types of lending products you can use are flexible and fixed deposits. If you want to know more about them, check out our article, but as the name would suggest, flexible means that you can subscribe and redeem your funds at any point. Fixed deposit means that you earn a fixed interest for a fixed lockup period. Okay, so let's subscribe 10 BUSD to a flexible deposit product. As this pop-up window explains, if you subscribe to a flexible deposit product, your funds are going to be redeemable and earning interest the next day after your subscription. And as you can see, the subscribed amount appeared under the Assets tab. You can check the previous subscription and redemption dates and the collected interest payments under the History tab. If you'd like to redeem your funds from a flexible deposit product, you can do that under the Assets tab. Now you know how to use Binance Lending.